up, you guys? Welcome to the video. If you're new here, my name's Josh, and guys, I've been waiting forever for this. Let's get started. Alright, so if you guys have been following me for some time now, you would know I've had my eye on this piece for some time now. I've foreshadowed it in a few other videos. I've mentioned multiple times that I wanted to do this. I finally pulled the trigger back in February. It took a few months, took a little while to get here. So all things considered, what's going on in the world, shipping was pushed back a lot longer than normal, so not too big a deal. But guys, I'm so excited. It finally came. It finally came all the way from Ozza Auto Wheel over in the UK. It finally crossed the pond. We got the custom steering wheel. I'm so excited. It looks so good. Guys, I'm so excited. So yeah, it took about 2 months for this to get over here. It sucks, you know, is what it is going on in the world right now. So shipping times got shoved back a little bit. But Ozza was straight up with me. They were very upfront. They let me know that there was some cargo issues going on. Just the way the world is going on right now. Usually shipping takes for this custom steering wheel about 30 to 40 days, so you really can't beat that. There's a couple extra days from the normal expected shipping time, so it is what it is. I'm appreciative of it anyway. So guys, Ozza Auto, check them out on Instagram. Let's go admire. Let's just appreciate some of these wheels. Come on now, look at these wheels. So you can hit them up on Instagram. They're very responsive. Customize the steering wheel to your spec, whatever you want. It's so sick. Look at all these steering wheel, guys. Like, come on, look at this. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful. So they do all custom work. They have an office, they have a branch over in Oregon, but their main facility is over in Ukraine, where they do all their distribution. Look at these steering wheels, guys. These things are freaking spectacular. So nice, so smooth, so silky fresh. Just, oh, I've had my eye on the steering wheel for some time now. I've had my eye on Ozza for a while now, just because their work is spectacular. Like, look at these custom wheels. This work is phenomenal. So I'm going to show you guys. This is the one I've wanted for my E90 for a while now. Not that we still have the E90, but, you know, past tense thinking. I would have loved to have this in my E90. I love this steering wheel. So I've had my eye on the white stitching for a while now, and I'm really glad I went and pulled the trigger. Because literally, I've been staring at these steering wheels for a long time. Few years now. We finally got our hands on one, because these things are so sweet. And it probably won't be the last one. I'll probably eventually get another one too. Because look at this full Alcantara steering wheel. Like, this thing, all their products are just insane. Going back from the original OG BMWs to more the new M Sport. Come on. Let's appreciate these. Like a moment of silence. Like, appreciate these. These are sick. So yeah, I had to go with the all-white stitching with this leather and the Alcantara up top with the white stripe at 12 o'clock, and I absolutely love this thing. It already just feels just that quality. It just a little bit more meaty, a little bit more thick in your hands, and it just feels so good. Feels so good. I'm so excited. So before we get started, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Get this airbag out, get the steering wheel off. I'm gonna zip right through this. If you need help taking off your steering wheel, I'll link a video up here. I've done this. I got a quick little tutorial on how to get your steering wheel off real quick. See ya. Alright, we got some comparison. We got the OEM wheel on the right, the the new custom wheel on the left. Whew. Looks so freaking good. So I'm gonna go ahead, get all this transferred over from the OEM wheel to the new wheel. Look at it, guys. Everything lined up so good. All the wire is run, as you can see, all up in here. All nice and tucked all the way around. Everything plugged back in. Came out perfect. Everything was nice and snug. Wire just tucked perfectly. Choo! Alright, so let me know what you guys think. I might do away with the red buttons for a little bit. Let me know. Alright guys, like I said, it's getting a little dark, but oh my gosh, look how amazing this looks. So yeah, definitely let me know. I might get rid of the red buttons for now, just to really emphasize the wheel. Let me know if you guys think I should go back to the black buttons. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I'm loving it. I love it. I absolutely love it.